Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Alex, I'm the architect for Backprep, and in today's video we're going to use Parse to execute a query with parameters in a React Native Expo project. So here I have my React Native Expo project in Backprep with my person class and a few objects in there. And here I have my Visual Studio with the code that we use the method get to retrieve this object ID and its data from Parse. So if I want to use this same query to retrieve an object based on parameters, all I have to do is query.equal to pass the name of the parameter I'm looking for, in this case name, and the value that I'm looking for, in this case Alison. I can compose the query with multiple parameters to match my needs. So I'm also looking for query.equal to age as 39. The get method will be replaced by the first method, which will retrieve the first object that matches all the query parameters. I'm going to save this, and all I have to do is type yarn iOS. This will bring Metro Bundler. That will start my simulator. And there you go. Now I have Alison with the age 39 that is matched for this record here. So I hope you liked this video. I hope to see you on the next ones of this series. See you soon. Bye bye.